Hello guys, welcome back to another game of Bee Swarm Simulator. Today we're playing this game because we're buying the honey mask in this game and enjoy the fun. Hope you guys do enjoy the video and remember to subscribe and like the video. It's guys to enjoy. Let's begin the video by just farm. I think so. Farmed it like Moonstruck, and I just got 11 master badge from my account. This Beast from account actually. You can see this is this account. If anyone see me in the game, if you guys do know me, you guys can follow me or send a friend request that I do have any slot for any friends. Sorry, I'm still a bit coughing, like a coughing. Bad. Let's begin playing again. Let me turn on the song. I like when it's like make an oof sound every time you turn on one sound bar. I think sound bar. That can be any word. Sound bar. SOUND, and then you press space, and then BAR. Okay, that can be good. A new thing. Got it. I have like tickets, a lot of ingredients, enough to make a honey mask, and I got five gold eggs. That's all. Today we're gonna do 2 ant challenge. Let's do 5 flies first. They're good now, so why not? And my thumbnail, like I think tomorrow he will spawn, and I will fight him again. Good. That's good. Oh, and pineapple fruit. Let's defeat Mantis and Rhino Beetle first, for them to not interrupt our video making. I think I will upload like 3 videos in the same one day, like 1 video per day, but when I record 3 of those videos done, I will upload 3 of them. I'm actually saving up for like the Crimson Guard. Like I got a lot of moon jumps, but I'm saving for more because I need to get more actually. Okay, where are the like fireflies? I need to know. They're not here, and I'm using my pad, my mouse pad. Oh yeah, they are on the cactus field. Like the loot of fireflies are insane. They give us good loot. Not too good, but I'm saying that They're pretty good. For some like mid players on this game, like medium players are like light. Yes, Sparkers. Yes, Sparkers. There are many more, Mr. Pumpkin Man, huh? Mr. Pumpkin Man. Give me more. Yeah, give me more. Yeah. Give me more. Yeah. Beam shooter. Oh, one more. Yeah. Good job, Mr. Pumpkin. You're being gone. No. Give me more. Okay, bye. Let's go. Cut to the next part of this video. Fighting King Beater, and then fighting and doing an ant challenge. Good. Okay. I will fight you, King Beater. Go, my bee soldiers. They cute. Bee soldiers. I have like, I know why do we got guy will ask, why am I seeing a squeaky? It's a mouse sound. Shriek. I don't know how to say. Why do I hear that sound of a mouse? It's not like a mouse. It's like a balloon. Okay, let's begin. Because I have a balloon dinosaur. It likes to eat me, actually. Nothing too bad of my lames. I mean like my games. I'm playing it, so it will be good. I wish I equipped that honey mask. Damn it, I need to equip that honey mask. Oh, sorry, a bit cough. I am liking this game. Nothing better than a fighting time of ants and bees. They're fighting together. Without like ants fighting together with me, bees. But they're fighting me when I'm useless to fight them. Beekeeper, why do you cannot fight even a single small ant in real life? Like they can defeat a ant, like a small little black ant in real life, but in this game, simulation, who cares? Simulation is different than any other simulation, than even in real life. But in simulation, it's a bit weird in the game, in real life, but it's not too weird. What am I saying? Like random words. Damn, I'm on day today. I'm not coughing too much. I think that will be not coughing day. Damn it! Damn it! I suck. Yeah. Let's go to the honey mask and fight. Let's begin to buy the honey mask. You guys begin? Honeybee is on there, so I am supporting the honeybee. The honey mask have a relationship with honeybee. To an item. Okay, you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. OMG. Look at my face, guys. 1, 2. I look horrible with my beautiful face to my face don't look beautiful than other YouTubers. Oh, I see my face. Okay, that's okay. I am a honeybee. I transform it. Or I just wear a hat that just like turn me into a honeybee.